Have you ever wondered why we can swim, run, and jump? Well, it wouldn't have been possible without the efforts of a very special molecular machine within many living organisms called ATP synthase. This enzyme is located in a human cell. Within the human cell, there are organelles called mitochondria. Mitochondria, often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, play a crucial role in energy production. They have two membranes, and ATP synthase is located on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. As the name suggests, this enzyme synthesizes ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, from adenosine diphosphate, or ADP. Humans need ATP to function because this is the primary energy currency of our body. ATP synthase acts like a water wheel, but instead of water, it conducts the flow of protons down its gradient. We'll explain that more later, but using these protons, the ATP synthase harnesses a force called PMF. This allows it to attach a phosphate to ADP and produce ATP. Cells and organisms like us require this to survive, because energy is needed to make, grow, repair, and run important components within the body. So what does ATP synthase look like? It kind of looks like this, but in reality it actually looks like this. At the bottom of the screen, we see a round head, sort of resembling Toad from Mario in that last cartoon. We refer to this as F1. This is the place where ATP is actually being formed. At the top we see F0. This is the part of ATP synthase that utilizes proton gradient and acts as a motor. So we know the basic structure. How does it run? We say it functions like a water wheel, and here's why. Particles called protons from other processes in the body accumulate in the space between the mitochondria's two membranes. We call this the intermembrane space. The center area of the mitochondria, called the mitochondrial matrix, doesn't have as many protons, so they tend to move from the intermembrane space towards the matrix. The movement of protons is similar to how water might move from high to low positions. Protons move from high to low concentration. Because F0 of the ATP synthase spans the membrane, protons move across it, and it spins like a water wheel. The F1 subunit, or the head, changes into three shapes that facilitate phosphorylation of ADP, yielding ATP. So yes, ATP synthase allows us to swim, run, and jump, but more importantly, its ability to function well helps keep us alive by synthesizing energy for our body to use. A deficiency of ATP synthase can cause weakness or an inability to conduct essential bodily functions, and this can progress to serious neurological problems, including Leigh syndrome, a disease that still has no cure. So take a moment, consider how much is going on in your body every day just to keep you running.